Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix backsplat or backsplat crash errors in Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically for this problem to be solved, you have two options. Either to update your software in case like there is an update for your Filmora, and otherwise you can just simply change some settings and that might really help. And basically to check for new updates in Filmora, you will need just to go simply to the help. And basically in the help center, you will find uh, here this menu. And basically here you will find the release notes, etc. What we are interested in is check for updates. So basically you will be needing like to wait for this checker to finish. And basically here I have the latest version. Otherwise, you will be needing just to go and click on updates. The other thing or the second thing that you can try is to enable the hardware acceleration. And basically, this might really help like by uh, enhancing the performance of your Filmora so it can avoid crashing. So you can simply go to File, Preferences, and from here we will find Performance. So basically, you will be needing like just to go and click on Enable Hardware Acceleration and enable hardware acceleration for video encoding. And basically, that would allow your Filmora to use your GPU, so it won't only using your CPU to start rendering and for uh, playback and encoding while exporting. So uh, basically, those are the things. Also, you can try like to clear the cache in case it has been like full, and you can also add like an automatically delete temporary files from this time, etc. And basically, that's it. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.